Are you ready to take your home theater experience to the next level in 2025? Soundbars have come a long way, and with Dolby Atmos technology, you don't just hear the sound, you feel it all around you, from the quietest whispers to the most powerful explosions. In today's video, we'll be looking at the top 3 Dolby Atmos soundbars in 2025, carefully selected for their performance, design, and immersive audio quality. But before we dive in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the latest reviews and tech updates. Now, let's get started and see which soundbars truly deliver that cinematic surround sound experience right in your living room. When it comes to audio, Dolby Atmos has completely changed the game by adding a three-dimensional layer of sound that traditional speakers just can't match. Whether you're watching your favorite movies, streaming music, or gaming, the right Atmos soundbar can turn your living room into a full cinematic experience. In this video, we'll break down the features so you can decide which one is the perfect fit for your setup. So welcome. Number 3. Polk Audio Signa S3 Ultra. The Polk Audio Signa S3 Ultra is a sleek and affordable soundbar that delivers a big upgrade over standard TV speakers, especially for users who want a cinematic experience at home without breaking the bank. With Dolby digital decoding and Polk's patented voice adjust technology, it produces clear dialogue, detailed mids, and a balanced soundstage that works well for movies, music, and TV shows. The included wireless subwoofer adds deep, punchy bass, making action scenes and music playback more immersive. Setup is quick and hassle-free thanks to HDMI ARC, optical, and Bluetooth connectivity, while built-in Google Chromecast support makes streaming audio from mobile devices effortless. Overall, the Signa S3 Ultra offers a perfect balance of simplicity, performance, and value. Number 2. VIZIO V-Series 2.0 Compact Soundbar. The VIZIO V-Series Compact Soundbar is designed for those who want powerful, room-filling audio in a smaller, space-saving package. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive clarity and punch, with support for DTS Virtual X to create a more immersive, 3D-like surround sound experience. Dialogue comes through crisp and clear, making it ideal for TV shows and movies, while its bass performance is surprisingly strong for a soundbar of this size. It also features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing easy wireless streaming from smartphones and other devices, and setup is simple with HDMI ARC or optical connections. Perfect for bedrooms, small apartments, or secondary TVs, the V-Series Compact combines affordability, convenience, and quality, making it one of the best budget-friendly compact soundbars of 2025. Number 1. Bose New Smart Dolby Atmos Soundbar. The Bose new Smart Dolby Atmos Soundbar is a premium choice for anyone seeking truly immersive home audio in 2025. With support for Dolby Atmos and spatial audio technology, it delivers a wide, room-filling soundstage that feels like audio is coming from every direction, even overhead. Voices remain crystal clear thanks to Bose's advanced dialogue enhancement, while deep bass and precise highs make movies, music, and gaming come alive. It also integrates seamlessly with Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, giving users smart control and effortless streaming. The sleek, modern design fits beautifully into any home setup, while Bose's reputation for refinement ensures you're getting both style and substance. For those who want a soundbar that combines elegance, power, and cutting-edge audio performance. And that wraps up today's video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to Marco Tech for more awesome tech content. I've got plenty more reviews, tips, and gadget breakdowns coming your way, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.